Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How to build an Excel data table? We've already gone through this. I showed you how to build a data table, not using the data table tool. Remember, we went down that road of absolute values and relative values, and we built a table similar to this. The goal of that previous session was to show you relative and absolute values. In the what if category is a data table model. To find that, you just go to data, you go to what if, press the what if, and you hit a data table. You have to have a scenario first and foremost to build a data table. So we're going to build off of that previous session where we were just talking about mortgage payments. Well, what if? What if the purchase price increases? Or what if the down payment changes? Or what if the loan terms change? Well, we're going to stick with this scenario, and we're just going to focus on mortgage rate changes and then the loan amount change. The way we do this is very simple. We're going to keep this scenario as it is. To build a data table, we're just going to go up here, what if, and we're going to hit data table. We're going to need to identify where we want the data table. So pick a cell, hit a what if data table. So we need to build this hypothetical. We have to build this scenario. Pick an interest rate. You can just point to a loan amount. We're going to leave this first cell blank. Let's just drop down one row. Let's go equals 400,000. We can equals 3475. Loan payment, total payments equals 622. Total interest equals what that number, and then you can start at an interest rate. Let's go 4.5%. Just go 0.045, and you want to raise that to 0.25. Just equals this plus 0.0025. And just copy that down. Control D. You can change the formatting here. Just go up here, percent, couple decimal points. Here's our hypothetical. What we want to do is just highlight this range. We'll go to data, forecast, what if, data table, data, forecast, what if, data table. What we're going to do is we want a column input. We want the interest rate. Just hit this interest rate, hit OK. There you go. That's a data table. Very simple. Look at the difference. It needs to be formatted. So just grab this data, go up here to currency and get rid of those decimals. We can change the colors or what have you just for appearance reasons. We can go there and we can put a quick bold this just to get a little emphasis here. That's how easy it is to put a data table together. And you can see they match. We could build this on our own using the formulas that I've used in the past. That's a quick and easy way to build a data table. Here's the what if. What if you have a $400,000 loan, and you can grab this information here. You could type this in. I'm just cheating, trying to speed this up here. If you want to change this, you can just go up here to purchase price and put 625. And you can see it changes. If you want a 10%. This is what is meant by dynamic. This is the dynamic part of it. All you have to do is change a number and you get a new scenario. If we look at 625 or a loan of 562.5 at 6.375, we don't have that number in here. So let's just simplify this, 6.25 just to match. And we can see at 6 1/4, it's 4823. We have 4823 for monthly payment, 4823, 4823. Nice little tool, very helpful in terms of seeing the changes. You can see your total payments. You can see your total interest over 180 periods. You can change this to 360, which is 30 years. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, out. Williams out.